How to download and install the DraftKings Sportsbook app to your mobile, Android or iPhone. Head over to gamble-usa.com on your mobile's browser and open the menu at the top of the page. Select the DraftKings app from the Sportsbook app menu. Click on Play Now to go to the DraftKings mobile site. Claim your bonus and sign up for your account. Sign up is quick and easy and only takes a few minutes. If you use an Android mobile, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Sportsbook mobile app. On the new page, you will see a banner to download the app. Click on the Download Now button, then tap the Download for Android icon. On the pop-up, you are asked if you want to download the dksportsbook.apk. Press Download. You may need to adjust the settings on your device to allow unknown sources. This can be found in Settings and then Security. This is perfectly normal to download an app outside of the Google Play Store. Press the Install button, which will then install the DraftKings APK to your mobile. The app will now install and you can launch it and then log in. If you use an iPhone, create your account with DraftKings first, then follow the link on the main menu to go to iTunes, where you can press Get and install the app like any other app. There is a mobile version of the DraftKings Sportsbook that you can use on any phone. Go to the mobile site and then use the Add to Home Screen option in your mobile browser to add a quick link to the Sportsbook.